Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to hide a mobile number in MS Excel. So let's try. Okay. Write the formula left, then select the mobile number cell, then comma, then 3. 3 means the first 3 number will be shown. Then bracket close, then and then double quotation, asterisk sign, 1, 2, 3 as you wish. That doesn't matter. Then double quotation, again and then right function, again select the mobile number, then 3. You want to see the last 3 number, then bracket close and enter. You see that first 3 number and last 3 number, and we have choose 3 asterisk, so you see the 3 asterisk in our result. Okay, now drag the formula